Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and get yourself a Gmail account or a Google My Business account. Once you have that, you'll be able to access something called Google Sheets, which is exactly like Excel, only in the cloud, and it updates in real time. So you're going to want to click here where it says Download Survey and ROI Tracking Sheet. It's going to bring you over to this template right here. And as you can see, we have a couple sheets in here, some stuff for a survey, and a place for the emails to go. So in order to get this sheet into ManyChat and get everything all integrated, you're going to want to go ahead and make a copy of this. So we'll just go ahead and click Make a Copy, and you could just name it Master Chatbot Spreadsheet. Now, whenever you're creating one for a client, you should create a clone or a copy of the Master Chatbot Spreadsheet and name it whatever your restaurant name is, like this. Once you have that done, you can go ahead and save it to a folder inside of your drive, or you could just save it to the master folder. It doesn't really matter where you save it. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go over to ManyChat. I'm going to go ahead and select a page. So I'm just going to use this as a demo. And then you're going to want to go into settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to go ahead and click on integrations and click connect Google Sheets account. It's going to ask you to log in with Google, and go ahead and log in with the same Google account that you shared the sheet with. In my case, it is this one. And you're just going to go ahead and click allow. And your Google Sheets have been integrated. From there, the rest of this tutorial will show you exactly how to set up the bot and how to push the data into the Google Sheets to deliver it to your client. So thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.